Introducing the patent-pending, single-lane, self-supporting tank. At only 8 feet wide, the tank will only use one lane of traffic on a narrow county road. The patent-pending, single-lane, self-supporting tank.